Derrick Reish with LaserTech, and I've got the new TruPulse 360i. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look what's inside the box. First of all, we've got the product name up front, all our contact information also on front of the box. On this side, we've got the model number and everything you need on this UPC code. Bottom side, see the serial number there? Should match the laser inside. On this side of the box, we have all our social media. You can follow us anytime. On the back side, Class 1 eye safety information and all our certifications. Let's look inside the box. Go ahead and open it up. First thing I see is a carrying case. Go ahead and pull that out. We'll take a look at that here shortly. Next thing I see is a few inserts. First one I pull out here is about the warranty information. See here we got a QR code. That'll take you right to the website. You can fill out all the information. Or if you want to, you can fill out the information and you can send it back in some mail. Biggest thing, you do want to fill out the warranty information. That's a 2-year warranty, so we have it all in our records. The next insert I see here, it is about our user's manual. We've got a QR code that'll take you right to the website, find all the downloads you can, quick reference guide, user documentation, everything is electronic right here on the website. And the last insert is all about our LaserSoft app solutions. See all these QR codes that take you right to our website about all the different software solutions for data collection with the TruPulse 360i. Next, we've got a neck strap or a lanyard. And we also include 2 AA batteries with the laser to power it on. Let's take a closer look at the carrying case and the laser inside. So we've got our carrying case here. This is also the same case we have for our other models, the TruPulse 200i and the TruPulse L2. You got a bungee cord holding down the lid tightly. It's not a soft case. On the bottom side, a couple of grommets. Back side, you've got a belt loop. You can easily attach that to your belt or a backpack. We've got the laser inside, plastic bag for protection. You see here's TruPulse 360i. Fits right in the hand, easily, very solid. On this back side here, this is where the neck strap is going to attach. And then we've got our battery door. Open that up, insert the batteries, close it, you're ready to go to the field. That's what's inside the box of the TruPulse 360i. So the last thing we want to take a look at is the neck strap. Go ahead and open the bag. We've got the neck strap here. It's got LaserTech logo, the loop that you're going to attach to the TruPulse 360i. Also, it's very adjustable, go around your neck or your wrist. That's everything that comes with the TruPulse 360i. Contact us if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.